Okay, so you've decided to start trading. The first thing would be to define your time frame. What does this mean? We will get onto that. So there's three main types of trading and investing. The first one would be to day trade, the second would be swing trade, and the last one would be to invest in long term, which is basically ranging from any time between months to years, just hold it for a very long time. And what are the main differences? It it's really simple if you break it down. So let's just do that. What are the main differences? So let's start with day trading. With day trading, you basically buy and sell stocks within a day, a given day. So let's look at the chart over here. Let's go down to the 1 minute. So if you are a day trader, you are usually using the 1 minute or the 5 minute time frame, which is basically it basically means that one of these candles, these green and red things, that shows if it's on the 1 minute, that's the price action between a 1 minute. So red means the price within that minute went down, green means within that minute it went up. So that's why there's a bit of multicolors over here. Let's not get bogged down with that because I will be teaching that later. We're just building the foundation that we really need to have over this video. So, what are the advantages? You can make a lot of money doing this, but the disadvantage would be you need to sit back. You need to sit on the screen or sit behind the screen, not sit on the screen, sit behind the screen and actively manage your passion. So that can mean just sitting behind the screen for 5, 6 hours or even 1 hour, depends on how long you trade for. For me, I do not have time to do that, so I focus on swing trading. So let's get on to the second part. Okay, so let's move on to the second part, which is swing trading. Swing trading. So what does this mean? Swing trading is basically investing or trading, mainly trading, between a time frame of let's say a day to it can be a couple of weeks, 2 3 weeks. It depends on how comfortable you are with your money being on the market. So swing trading, if I'm swing trading, I usually use the 1 hour time frame. At any given point in time, one of these candles represent 1 hour's worth of price action. So this red candle means it opened here, closed here, and green candle means the opposite. So it opened here at whatever that price is, 159, and it closed at 161, which means the price shot up within that hour. So swing trading, the advantages of this is you don't really have to be sitting behind a screen actively managing your trade, because you can put a stop loss, put a take profit, let it run, and that's how I make my money. Basically, I make money while I'm sleeping. Why? Because I trade the US market, and the US market opens at 1 a.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. at the moment, but in November it'll start opening at 1 a.m. So I'll put my trades, go to sleep, wake up, see how the trade went. It works for me. I've done this for a while, so I do not recommend doing that. So maybe if you're Australian, start with an Australian stock, and if you're American, go for it. Okay, so let's move on to the third type of trading or investing. So this is investing primarily. So investing long term. What does this mean? So this means you buy now, hold a share for 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, completely up to you. It's just it have to be on a longer time frame. This is where I started. So I'm Australian, so I'm not Australian. I live in Australia. So I started with investing in CommBank and Afterpay. I held those shares for somewhere around a year, made some gains off that, and that built momentum for me to be a trader and take positions in trading. So that's absolutely what I recommend to getting started investing, because when you're investing, what I used was a platform called CommBank. So I was invested, and what I did was I usually check my phone, check my position, and I could see that I've made $100 $200 in a day, and I've also lost some of them. It's not all winning. You have to be smart with it. So I've seen that I've gained $100 $200 within a day, and that's what motivated me to become a swing trader. or a day trader, depending on how much time I have. So that's absolutely where I recommend getting started. You can select any platform that you want to, select a few shares, and that's how we can get started. So that is what time frame means. If you have any questions, just put it down below. I will definitely read them and reply to you, because I don't really have a million subscribers or anything like that. I'll just have a few. That's perfectly fine, as long as I'm bringing value to you. So comment down below, I will get back to you. So that should be it on time frame, on sorry, basically. So that should be it for this video. Hopefully that made sense. If you didn't, just let me know, put it down in the comment section. I will explain it to you. So like I said, long-term investing is the best place to start. For me, I find that very helpful, and I hope that you find that helpful as well. And yeah, so that should be it. Like I said, I don't really know how to end my videos, so like and subscribe. Yeah, do that. See ya.